Hey there everybody, Ryan Huggins here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use iMovie. Alright, so what you'll do is on your home screen on an iPhone, just simply swipe down and the search bar comes up and you can type in iMovie. As you can see, mine is on the Siri suggestions, so I'm going to select iMovie. That is going to open up, you can see this is your projects, it'll save them for you in the actual iMovie. What we are going to do is we are going to create a new project. So we hit the plus sign, boom, right there, and we are creating a movie. So we are going to hit movie, and with that we're going to create a movie from, it pulls up all of your videos. You can put in videos, pictures, whatever. I'm going to select the back button for media because I've actually created a separate album for this particular movie, which is down here at the bottom called iMovie. And so in this video, you're going to have a couple of elements that I'm going to use. The very first element is going to be my intro or the hook, which is this one here on the left. We'll add that. The next part is going to be the actual logo intro to the channel, which is the 6-second box here. I'll select that. And these do get placed in order. After that, I'm going to select the actual video that we are going to be using, which is the 1:27 video. And then on the last part that we're going to add to the movie is the 9-second clip here on the right, and that's the end screen video. Now, if you have not watched my end screen video or my intro video, you can check that out in the description below, or just go to my channel, Win with Ryan, and you can see that there. Don't forget to subscribe. When you subscribe, don't forget to click on the bell and then select all. That way you see all of my videos coming up. All right, so we're going to select this fourth item here, and at the bottom it says create movie. We're just going to simply hit that button. Boom, it creates our movie for us. Now up here at the top, you see the plus sign, the back arrow with the line. That actually takes you back one slide at a time, one step, so that way you can go through your movie quicker. The play button is actually going to play the movie. Hey everybody, Ryan Huggins here, and in this, the pause button obviously pauses the movie. So let's see. Hey everybody, Ryan Huggins here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to screen record on the iPhone and use your microphone. All right, then the transition to the intro, and then the transition. Hey everybody, Ryan Huggins here, video. And today I'm going to show you how to record. All right, cool. So I wanted to show you that there. Now the next thing we can do also is, this is going to go all the way through. I do want to go to the end because the end screen is longer than the 9-second clip. So I always just click on the end screen piece and it highlights it in yellow, letting you know you're working with it. And on that one, we will click duplicate. And then boom, it just adds a second one. On this one, the transition, I actually remove the transition and make it to where it says none, the very far left. Boom, no transition, so it just rolls through. So we got the screen record, we got everything in there. If there's ever anything that you want to edit out, you can actually click on your clip and you can adjust the video. And you can like remove something if you didn't, like in the very beginning, if you're sneezing or something like that, you can remove it. In this video also, we're going to go ahead and throw in under the settings bar there, sorry about that. So bottom right corner, you can see the gears. We're going to hit select that one there. And we're going to theme soundtrack this one. And we are going to turn on neon theme soundtrack, and we'll hit done. And we'll hit play. Hey everybody, Ryan Huggins here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to screen record on the iPhone and use your microphone. Hey everybody, Ryan Huggins here, and today I'm going to show you how to record. Alright, and that is that. Now we click done, and that movie is made. It's that easy. We're going to go ahead and title the movie, and this movie was How to Screen Record and Use the microphone. If you haven't checked out that video, make sure you go check that one out as well. So you can screen record and use your voice like I'm doing now. We'll select done, and that is that. So now from here, hey everybody, play this. You got some options. You can share it directly to Facebook, Instagram, Messenger, whatever you want. You can click the more button. It gives you other options for sharing. And we can select YouTube. And we'll go ahead and select YouTube here. And we're going to select the 1080p. We're going to select the public because we want it to be public. You can see that the very top, how to screen record is there. Description, you can type that in now. I just type it in on the actual app there. And then location, you can type it in. We're currently in Laguna Beach. Laguna Beach, done. And boom, there you go. Now we're going to click share. And what this is going to do is it's going to actually export your movie. And once this is exported, it's going directly to YouTube. So you don't have to like download the video to your phone or anything like that. It just uploads directly to YouTube. And we're going to go ahead and, with the magic of the internet, all right, and now that it is done and published to YouTube, you can actually visit the video, tell a friend, share the video, or close. So we are going to go ahead and visit the video. And this takes us to YouTube. And it's still processing, which is totally fine. But that is that. That is how you use iMovie to create your YouTube videos. I hope this has been helpful. Again, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Click the button below. And also, if any of this information has been helpful, please, please, please make sure you hit that thumbs up and leave a comment below. Thank you very much. Have a wonderful day. Talk to you later.